Let's talk swimsuit season. It'll be here before you know it. If you find that it's a little hard to stomach because of maybe belly fat, well, not to worry. Dr. Bill Johnson of Innovations Medical has several ways to help you get in the shape you want for summer. In time for summer, I should say.
In time.
Hi, Dr. Bill. Okay, so let's talk about that problem area. What can we do?
Well, that's one of the great things. Nowadays, we really can do things in time for summer, and we can take care of a number of problems. Everything from just some loose skin and sagginess to someone that wants to lose a couple of inches before summer and fit better in their swimsuit, or even someone that wants to really change their shape and maybe get some sculpting.
Okay, let's break it down. Let's talk about the first thing we can do. We'll talk loose skin.
Well, loose skin is a real problem for a lot of women and occasionally some men too. You can see it after pregnancy very commonly, after weight loss. Sometimes just with aging we get some loose skin. And Thermage is pretty widely considered to be the gold standard treatment for loose skin. Now, most of these patients that are real good Thermage candidates are going to be really close to their ideal weight range. So it's not the best treatment if you're overweight, but if you're close to your right weight and have loose skin, it's a really good option. There was a large survey done about a year ago with 5,700 Thermage patients, big study. 87% of those patients saw an immediate result. So that's something you can come do it and already see an improvement for this summer. For this summer,
because it does continue to use to work as the months progress.
Right,
most people see an improvement even months after.
Months after. So we see improvement now and then continuing improvement over time.
So it's April right now, so we got to get, it's Memorial Day is coming up.
Yeah,
it's pretty quick.
It's time.
6 weeks. Do it today, perhaps. Okay, great. Okay, if you want to also lose a few inches before summer, there's also good technology for that.
Right, and this is really an exciting new technology, because if somebody had come in even a year ago and said, I want to lose a couple inches for Memorial Day, that would be a really tough problem for us, because although I can do quite a bit with liposuction, it takes several weeks for the swelling and everything to go down. Now we've got liposonics. It's a really exciting new tool that uses ultrasound through the skin. There's no incision, there's no real downtime, and you can lose 1 or 2 inches permanently, Amy, in about an hour to an hour and a half, and really start to see the results in a week or two.
Liposonics is the it word right now, right? And it's such
really
an innovation.
Is. It's a really important innovation in this industry, and I think it's going to be one that's with us for a very long time to come.
Because you're thinking about losing a couple of inches permanently without surgery. It's huge.
Without surgery, without exercise.
Without exercise, that's even better.
Okay. Yes. And really minimal discomfort, no real down. You can have a little bruising and swelling, but there's no real downtime involved.
That's fantastic. Okay, let's talk about our viewers who may want to do more sculpting. Maybe they have a few more inches to lose. What do you recommend for them?
If you had somebody that really wants to change their shape or is really interested in getting a real well-defined abdomen, then liposuction combined with Smart Lipo is a really impressive way to go, because with the Smart Lipo we get great skin tightening. It allows us to do sculpting, get some high definition. The other thing that's nice is if you do the love handles, you can do a lot of shaping around the buttocks and make a real difference in what you're going to look like in the swimsuit for this summer.
Okay, and I guess there's options for everyone. You really just need to go in for that consultation. A lot of people ask, because I did Thermage after I had Nugget, but you have to wait a little while. You don't do it right away. We were trying to remember when I did mine, but it's usually between 6 months and a year afterwards, right?
We're okay on Thermage and liposonics after about 3 months.
Oh, great.
Okay. So need to wait at least 3 months. On liposuction, we really want folks to wait 6 months before they go through that. That is a little bit of invasive procedure. It's minimally invasive, but still wanting to wait a little longer.
Wait a little longer. Let your body kind of adjust and heal after having baby. Okay, you always have good specials for GMT viewers. What do you have today?
Well, for now until the end of April, we're going to take $500 off these abdominal procedures we've been discussing.
Fantastic.
So now's the time to get it done.
Now's the time to get it done. Dr. Bill Johnson, always good stuff just in time for summer. And if you want more information, log on to innovationsmedical.com or call the Dallas location. It's 214-420-7970, and over in Fort Worth, 817-744-7901. And as always, if you have a question for Bill, just drop him an email at questions@innovationsmedical.com. Now over to someone who doesn't